I've been dreaming on in my head like I've seen it. A life worth living is a life with meaning. I'll do what I love till my heart stops beating. I'm feeding this demon. Got a taste, can't erase bitterness in my face. Work a job every day till your dreams fade away like a card never changed.
Okay, we're back to make another part. This is a one-piece top clamp for a KTM 85. We're going to install it on this bike. Let's head to the shop and make it, and then we'll come back and install it. Okay, we're back at the shop. Let's load the program into the machine. Get things going. Get some chips flying. Get this part made, see how it turns out.
Like a card never changed, play the game that we say. I need a break. I'm staying strong, need to move on to be what I want. I'll keep dreaming on. I'm staying strong, need to move on to be what I want. I'll keep dreaming on. Face on when I chase like that. Yeah, I play so strong with a knife in the back. I'ma swing home run like a baseball bat. Gonna see me rise, you can hate on that. I don't play both sides, doing me no cap. I'ma ride or die for my dreams on tap. I'ma fly real high, you ain't see me slack. No, it's not how you fall, it's how you get right back up. That's how you get tough. Calluses on my hands so rough, yeah, I call your bluff. I'm not the one, mess with me and come out with none. Cause I'm so done, you had your fun. And now you're gonna face down the barrel of the gun. Cause I got a full clip with your name on it. But I'ma let you slide cause you ain't worth it. I'm staying strong, need to move on to be what I want. I'll keep dreaming on. I'm staying strong, need to move on to be what I want. I'll keep dreaming on.
Here, the first operation's done. Looking pretty good. Let's get things set up, and we'll get the second side going and get it finished up. See how it turns out in the end.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 yo, go, go, go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, or the highway. And in the driveway is a nice range. Cause I grind through the climb, I invite pain. You'll never hear me, bitch, nah, I don't complain. Just gotta flip the switch and you can go and obtain anything you want, anything you need. Your mind's got the key ingredient, it's belief.
Looks like it turned out pretty good. Now let's head back to the shop, get this installed and see how it fits, see how it looks, and make sure it's gonna work.
See with the negativity, but I just slide right by that energy. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when
Alright, we're back in the shop. Here's the stock top clamps. This bike already has custom top triple tree that we made and custom risers on it. We'll do a video of those later on. Let's take the stock two-piece top clamps off and we'll get the new one piece installed. bolts out. Get these old ones off.
Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go. You got a mind, but even that could change. You could flip the gray matter like some batter in your brain. That's why I say, fake it till you make it A. And if you play that game, then you just might make a change. Rearrange all the bad to okay. Take the worst thoughts saying, turn them to a game. Take the best thoughts saying, put them on display. On repeat in your brain till you're feeling no more pain. Never slow yourself down, you can do some more.
Now we can test fit the new clamp that we made. Looks like holes lined up. Looks like a pretty good fit. Let's put the bolts in. Snug them down. See what it looks like.
Do some more. Push past all the pain and you'll find a door. Open it up and finally explore everything that you thought you could never do before. And even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go. When you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 yeah, go, go, go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, or the highway. And in the driveway is a nice range. Cause I grind through the climb, I invite pain. You'll never hear me, bitch, nah, I don't complain. Just gotta flip the switch and you can go and obtain anything you want, anything you need. Your mind's got the key ingredient, it's belief. They'll deceive with the negativity, but I just slide right by that energy. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go.
And like I mentioned before, we're going to show everything on here, even whenever we don't install stuff right. As you can see, this is way off center. I didn't even realize it. And my little cameraman didn't realize it either. So that was, it fit good, but of course we didn't realize we didn't have it on center. So let's go back, loosen it back up again, align it properly, and then snug it back down.
Go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go.
Like I said before, the triple tree top clamp will be for sale, as well as the 10mm risers. We'll do a video on them and some couple design tweaks to do on triple clamp, and then everything will be for sale eventually. We'll have a Shopify store or set something up similar to that, and everything will be available, so stay tuned. Keep your eye open for that. We'll do some videos on them as well. Now that the bars are center, this install is looking a little bit better. And make sure you subscribe and watch the other video if you haven't watched it yet. Click on the link, and thank you, and take care.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad. I just wanna get caught up in this life, I'm crazy, I'm bad.